in Davenport, Florida. The owner of this house tried to clean the rug, and he put it outside, tried to clean it, he wet it. Then he was so heavy that he couldn't dry properly. It rained that day, so he put it back in the garage and it smelled horrible. That's the reason he called us. He lived really close to our house. We extend the tarp, we vacuum. Right now, Jose is scrubbing the carpet or the rug, and we are using Bioask. Bioask is a botanical disinfectant solution. It will kill the odor and kill any kind of bacteria. The carpet beside the odor was dirty and with a lot of soil, dry soil. That's the reason why we vacuum properly. This is a whole procedure that we are doing outside of the homeowner house. He's expecting our job right now. He's watching us what we do. I have to run to do another estimate in Ocoee for a realtor. So this is just a few moments of recording. Unfortunately, I won't be able to record the whole process. I'm gonna tell Jose if he could at least record a little bit for me, so I can do a remix for you guys. Thank you for watching us, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. After scrubbing, he's gonna rinse with the truck mud and with the wand. Then dry super good, and he's gonna pour or put the rug inside on top of the rack and put some blowers to dry faster. Tomorrow we will pick it up, the air blowers. We are gonna leave 3 air blowers to dry fast. Thank you for watching. Bye.